So hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Octavia. If you're new, welcome to this video. Give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and make sure you guys hit that bell button so you know every time I upload a new video. I just wanted to make this video really quickly to show you guys how to get started here with TLC and how to do it from your phone. Most of us work from our phones. Most of us are on our phones, but if you are on the phone or on the computer, it's the same concept. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So when you click my link down below, this is what you'll see, enrollment. So first thing you want to do is just go ahead and select your country. Select your country, wherever you're from, and then go ahead and hit join. Now, here is your standard starter kit. In my videos, you hear me talk about how it's $50 to get started. Well, this is your starter kit. This is what you will get. You can just click on there and you'll see, all the info on what you get. Your welcome letter, your purple book, some TLC culture, 6 physical samples of the Detox Tea and the NRG, and 20 sample credits that you can send out free samples to 4 people. So I recommend getting this one because you're new. You could be totally new to online, marketing or starting a business online, and you want to make sure it's real. So you want to get some nice, tangible, physical products and, business tools in your hand. So this will be sent out to you in about 3 days. So I highly recommend getting. There is a digital starter kit, which is right here. Also get the same thing, but you get 50 sample credits and no tangible items. So I would recommend getting the standard starter kit because you're gonna get shipped out to your home, so you can feel good starting your business. So go ahead and add that to your cart. Select your language. I'm gonna select English, and you are good to go. So then scroll down, y'all. So you have the option to pick a kit. Pick one product, it just totally depends on you. If you want to get the CBD tea and the NutriBurst, you would go to kits and packs and just click it right here. Sip, Soothe, and Strengthen kit. So I believe this is the raspberry tea. So you can just go ahead and get that. Just go ahead and start with the tea NutriBurst. Or if you just want to get one product, go ahead and select health and wellness. And just select the NutriBurst, or just select, the tea with the hemp. Let's just go with the NutriBurst because I love me some NutriBurst. NutriBurst, boom, there's your one product, and you can go ahead and hit continue. So now you're smart ship. You are starting a business, so it is important to get your smart ship set up. So what a smart ship is, smart ship just lets TLC know that this person is active and I can pay them. So you want to have at least one product coming in every single month, okay? So let's just go ahead and pick the NutriBurst. Let's go with the tea just to switch it up. Boom, we'll have the tea. This is just for video purposes, but if it was me, I would get the NutriBurst. I gotta make sure I keep NutriBurst in my home. So we got the tea coming in every single month, so it's not gonna charge your card today. This will be, like, for example, it says 5/3, so May 3rd it will charge your card. So every single month on that day, that's the day that TLC is going to charge your card and ship out your product, and it will be in your front door. So yes, make sure you set up your smart ship. Just set it and forget it, because it allows you to unlock all the other ways, to ranking up quicker, opposed to being binary qualified, but we'll get into that. So you just hit continue, and now your smart ship is set up. So here is the basic information, y'all. Your personal information, your birthday, your phone number, your social, so you can get paid with Total Life Changes, and an email. Make sure it's an email that you frequently use, frequently check, or, an email you just made for business. Just make sure it's an email that you have access to. Don't worry about WhatsApp. Don't worry about WeChat. I don't even know what WeChat is. But put your address, and if your shipping is the same, then just go ahead and select that. If it's not, you fill it out, and make sure you verify your address so everything can be squared, correct, and checked away. And then again, your email and your phone number. And then here is your username and your login info. So it could be anything of your choosing, work with blank John Doe, or healthy with John Doe, or John Doe. It could be whatever you choose, your first and last name, just something unique that you're going to remember, because when people go click the link in your bio, right after .com/ is going to be whatever name you choose. So just pick something unique, something you remember, your password, and then your billing information. And then, yeah, guys, terms and conditions. And there is me. So you know that Octavia Graham, is your enroller. And of course, you'll see my picture at the bottom, right corner. So you know that you're signing up with the right person. And yeah, so this will be your total, $104.90 to start you $1 million business, y'all. That is awesome. And at the bottom, you can see your smart ship, and it will run next month, May 3rd. And you just hit continue, and then you're all good to go. I didn't hit continue because I didn't put any information in, so we're just going to go right back to where it started. Yep, so this is how you sign up with TLC. Super basic, super easy. Once you get started, send your girl a message letting me know, hey, I got started, and I will plug you into the team, and everybody's going to welcome you. And, congrats to you on your new journey, and welcome to Total Life Changes, and welcome to your home-based business, guys. So, this is your girl Tay. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Be safe, be blessed, and good night.